everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a beauty maintenance vlog. So throughout this week I'm going to go and get a couple things done. For today I'm only going to get one thing done. I'm just going to get a massage because throughout the week is when I set appointments to go and do my other stuff. I need to do my nails. I don't even want to show you my nails right now because they're just so gross. I went to go get a manicure and they did not last. I only wanted to get just a manicure. I didn't even care about painting them, but normally when you paint them, they don't last. At least for me, my manicures don't last. And I didn't want to do a gel because I'm going to do acrylic. So long story short, I do have appointments coming up throughout the week because I'm going to Mexico this weekend. So I'm super excited. I was going to get my haircut done today, but I'm not too sure if I'm going to do that after. I need to text my hairstylist person because I'm going to be doing a Brazilian blowout. I've never done one before, so I'm super excited just to see how that's going to go. And I'm going to see if she can throw in a haircut. I'm not too sure if she does haircuts. I don't know if she just does the Brazilian blowouts. I will text her and find out. But if not, then I'll just go ahead and get one today. So after my massage, I'll go do that and then possibly get some breakfast and some coffee because I really need that. And I did a workout this morning, so I feel really good and fresh. I think a massage is going to be perfect for me right now because my back has been tensing up a little bit lately. So I'm super excited, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. I know I look probably super crazy. I put my hair in a little side ponytail because we're sitting outside. We came to get breakfast here at Corner Bakery and I forgot to fill my food. We came here because I'm actually really getting errands done. I had to go to the post office because I got a package that said it was delivered, but I didn't physically get the package. It's a mess right now with all that. I am also waiting for it to be around noon to 1 because I did not order, but I volunteered to be a taste tester. I've ordered berries from her before, so I need to go and pick up the berries. Berries because berries could be anything. Berries and strawberries. So my boyfriend just corrected me. They're strawberries, not berries. I call them berries. Everybody knows them as berries except for you. I am going to finish my food. I'm going to show you guys. I just got a bacon avocado bowl with my coffee and some oatmeal. Okay, so I got a 1 hour full body massage. I'm nervous but excited. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like. So let's go. Okay guys, I am in a car. Let me just say that honestly, that was super painful. Also too, I'm blind in one eye. I only have one contact in. I was at the post office earlier and my right eye just started to tear up and I was just not wanting to go back home and get my glasses. So I literally can only see really good with my left eye. So anyway, besides the point. Okay, so first off, let me just say that he told me I was super tight, and which I kind of already figured, but I think I do that to myself because I need to be coming to get a massage about once a week. Now I'm probably not going to film the rest of the day because I'm on my way to go and get these strawberries that I am going to be a taste tester for. So after that, I'm going to go and do some other stuff that I can't say because I haven't really officially announced this yet, but yeah, you guys will just have to find out what I'm talking about. And yeah, so it is Saturday and you guys are most likely gonna see this on a Sunday, but if you guys are watching it, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you guys throughout the week. I'm gonna do my Brazilian blowout on Tuesday, and then throughout the week I'm gonna do the rest of my little girly stuff. I was gonna get a facial, but I'm like super scared because I just technically got off Accutane about 7 months ago and I'm just still very like not wanting to do anything to my face. I kind of feel like I want to give in and just do it. I will let you guys know if I decide on getting a facial. I do really want one. Like I really want one, but I just feel like deep down I'm a little too scared. Alright, so we picked up our berries.
Strawberries.
Strawberries. And we got cookies and cream with some brownies and some little cookies. They look so delicious. It smells so good. I want to jump on here real quickly and just say that my back from my massage yesterday is so sore. It's painful, but I'm actually really mad at myself. I should have told this guy to not go so like hard and deep, but I am definitely uncomfortable. Like certain parts of my back, like my lower back, my shoulder, like I'll have like an itch right here on this corner, and I have to ask my boyfriend to scratch it because I cannot reach it without feeling pain. But I just wanted to mention that because, ouch, it hurts. Hi everyone, crazy looking me. I put my hair down because I am getting ready to go and do my Brazilian blowout. I look so cray-cray, but I am so ready. Here's like a before-ish. And I am going to just trim my hair. Okay guys, so I just got out of my Brazilian blowout appointment and this is how it came out. I absolutely love it. It is so soft, shiny, sleeky, but the experience for it being my first time was super, super awesome. So I got there and they like wet my hair. They rinsed it out with water and they put in the treatment. And then after that, she sat me on the chair. She was kind of just combing it out, brushing it out, putting the product in. And then after that, you just kind of like have to straighten it. I'm just telling you guys the process because if you're interested in doing a Brazilian blowout, I definitely recommend it, especially if you have like frizzy hair. I don't have, like, it wasn't that bad, but I do feel like obviously it can be taken care of, so that's why I got it. So I really do recommend it, especially if you have like frizzy hair, and that's exactly what I have. Plus I see that there's a lot of a shine to it now. I'm absolutely in love with it. If my eyes look like my mascara was running, it's because it was running. So when she's blow drying it after the treatment is in there, it was just like really strong. The ingredients or like product was just so strong. But yeah, I'm gonna insert that video right now. Hi everyone, so it is day 3, I believe, of my maintenance beauty kind of day vlog. We are on our way to go and get my facial. So if I didn't already mention this, oh yeah, I forgot I told you guys I wasn't gonna do it, but I just caved in and decided I was gonna do it after all. I'm going to get a dermaplane. Pretty much what that is they're gonna just kind of like shave my face, and she's also gonna add in a facial. I did explain to her that I was on Accutane about 7 months ago, so she kind of knew already what I wanted and what she could do to my face, so that I really appreciated. And then I am going to go and do my nails because I'm in major need. If you book 2 services together, like if you were to do the scrub and then the facial, and you wait your downtime in here, and you have like the next salt wall. We also have a float room, which is this room here, and we together. And so it's completely weightless and you float in complete darkness and silence, and you're sensory deprived, so it's like getting REM sleep. You get about an equivalent of 6 hours of sleep if you fall asleep in there. Oh, wow. And so it just runs for an hour off this machine. We have a lot of different styles of massage. We have like hot stone, Swedish, deep tissue. It just kind of depends on what you're looking for from the massage. Okay guys, I am out of my facial appointment, so I did the dermaplane. And let me just say that as girls, obviously we shave our legs. Legs obviously feel naked. That's exactly how my face feels right now. I feel very soft. She did mention for me not to be touching my face, and I did ask for her to put on some sunscreen, and that's why I brought a hat, because I'm going to be out in the sun. I'm going to go and do my nails, so I really didn't want to be out in the sun. And I do look super red, but I am so glad I did this. And then I'm going to show you guys all the hair that was on my face. Okay, so I don't think this is good lighting, but I just got home from doing my nails, my eyelashes, and my toes. And let me just say that I was there for 7 hours, and that is the longest time I've ever been at anything for so long. These are my eyelashes, super cute. I love them. They are the classic, super basic. And here are my nails. And here are my toes. We got Chipotle because we're obviously not gonna have time to make dinner, and I'm super hungry and I'm starving. So yeah, tomorrow I am going to go and do my eyebrows. That is the last thing I have to do, so I'm super excited about that. Hello everyone. So it is my last day of doing something. I am doing the eyebrow threading and the eyebrow tinting. I've been threading my eyebrows for the last like maybe 2 years, and it has just been so amazing. I will never ever go back to waxing. That's just something I don't specifically like. It's better for your skin, and I just appreciate it a lot more. So yeah, once I do that, I'm going to be complete, and I'm just excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bring you guys along with me to do my eyebrows. This is them before. So gross. I'm just letting the tint set. Okay guys, so I just finished my eyebrows, and this is how it came out. So they're a little tinted and then of course cleaned up. It looks super cute. Now I am going to go ahead and just close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.